This week on 3D Printed Soup, I'm building a prop from the Hellboy universe and a Bureau of Paranormal Research and Defense. But remember, there's no such thing. Hello fellow makers and welcome back to 3D Printed Soup. I love building movie and TV show props, and I especially love weapons like lightsabers, firearms, swords and knives. And yeah, there's a special place in my heart for iconic firearms from movies. Everything from Blade Runner through to The Man with the Golden Gun. All of them have fantastic guns in them, and all of them have 3D props you can print. But the one I've been meaning to print for ages is the Good Samaritan, which is Hellboy's sidearm. Apparently it's made from pieces of the True Cross and has ammunition that contains everything from white oak all the way through to shavings or bullets that are used to assassinate the Pope. There are all kinds of wonderful working parts to it, and it's just a massive lump of metal with a huge wooden stock and a really cool 4-cylinder rotating revolver mechanism, and this thing is beautiful. So I had a dig around and found a really good file on Thingiverse made by the makers here. Thanks guys, absolutely love your work. This looks absolutely great. I've printed it at 90% because at 100% this thing is absolutely enormous, and I want something I can actually hold and display without it getting too much in the way, and 10% smaller doesn't affect it too much, but it just means that it just looks like more of a usable gun. So let's go ahead and print ourselves a really cool Samaritan sidearm. Before we do, however, thanks to everyone who's liked and subscribed. We are 5 away from 1,000. And yeah, I'm really happy. This is one of my life goals. It's been on my vision board for years. I say that. But yeah, it'd be lovely to get to 1,000 this week. So yeah, if you haven't subscribed and you're watching this, now's a great time. Drag your cursor down. Click on the subscribe button and there you are. Welcome to the Bureau of Paranormal Research and Defense 3D Printed Division. Now, let's get on and print ourselves a really cool movie prop for one of my favourite Del Toro movies, Hellboy. Let's give this a try. Okay, this turned out beautifully. This is an absolutely wonderful thing from Guillermo del Toro's Hellboy and Hellboy 2. Big, chunky, and it just feels weighty. I printed it at 50% infill, so it's got plenty of PLA here. And I just love the fact that you just pop the fire up with the arm up here, click it down, and there you go. Pop the revolver straight out and just pop out the shells. And yeah, the shells look great as well. They're chunky, they're big, and they feel like they're proper working parts. And the nice thing is, this thing is so precise and beautifully designed that they just pop straight back in and clip flat. There isn't even the slightest bit of clearance there. So when it spins, it doesn't get caught at all. Put that back in there. Clip it down. Clip it in. Yeah, this thing is beautiful. And yeah, if you spend the time, you can actually get this thing to revolve as well. And you can get it to with the hammer to fire. But I just wanted this as a prop to sit on a little stand I'm going to print out for it on my collector's shelf. So yeah, I don't need this thing to actually work. I just need this thing to look good. And it does. I love the handle here as well with the Bureau of Paranormal Research and Defense on there. And it just pops in and pops out. So yeah, it's a separate part. You can paint a lovely bronze colour and spend as much time as you want on that. So yeah, thank you so much to the guys who designed this beautiful, beautiful thing. Link subscription below as always. And if you build their prop, make sure that you put a picture up and a thank you on Thingiverse to tell them how much you love it. Because, hey, if they spent the time doing it, you can spend the time to say thank you. Now, next week, I'm going to do a celebration. If I've hit 1,000 by then, I'm going to be printing out Deckard's Blaster from Blade Runner. I'm printing it out in resin and I'm printing it out in PLA. And yeah, it's going to look absolutely fantastic. It's the gun I've most wanted to print forever. And yeah, I'm going to celebrate 1,000 views. Sorry, 1,000 views. I haven't got more than 1,000 views. No, I'll celebrate 1,000 subscribers by building this wonderful Blade Runner prop. So until that time, stay happy, stay safe, kill all monsters.